In this lesson, we're going to talk about prime factorization. So when we have a problem like this that says, what are the prime factors of 24? Well, the first thing to do is understand the meaning of prime factor. A prime factor, all the prime numbers that multiply together to equal the original number. So those are the prime factors. So for 24, this number 24, we need to find all the prime numbers that multiply together to give the original number. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that can only be divided evenly by 1 or by itself. And here are some examples of some prime numbers. There's 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. They all have in common that they could only be divided by 1 or by the number itself. So now let's look at this number 24. So start by asking yourself what two numbers multiply together to give 24. Okay, so let's start with that one. Okay, so 24, you can multiply 6 times 4 to get 24. But you might ask yourself, there's other ways you can multiply 24 together, right? So there may be more than one path to the same answer. So let's do a different path. So let's also side by side do this one where we use 2 times 12 to get 24. Okay, so we'll do those side by side to see if we get the same answer. So step 3, continue breaking down the numbers to their prime numbers. So let's break this 6 down more, okay? So 6, you come up with 6 by multiplying 3 times 2. And look, these are prime numbers. You can only divide these by 1 or itself evenly. So we can stop there for those. Then 4, to get 4, it's 2 times 2. These are also prime numbers. So let's work on this side. This is a prime number already, so we can break down 12 further. So how to get 12? You multiply 4 times 3. Okay, so then we can break down 4 a little bit further into 2 times 2. And that's it. Those are now in their prime number format. So confirm that each path gives back the original number. So let's do that. So this one, we just multiply back these prime numbers together. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 24. Now let's confirm the other one. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. And it gives the exact same answer. You get the exact same prime numbers. And that's prime factorization. It's very simple. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. Practice makes improvement. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this in the description, so check those out. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it, and there will be a link there that'll take you right to this lesson, right to this video, and then you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.